Hi, I'm Alex Stanley Stretch, the Marketing Coordinator at Hoffman Nursery. Thank you for joining us today for our first video in the Solving Regional Problems with Plants series. Today I'm joined by our Sales and Customer Service Representative, Jessica Hall, as she takes a look at the Northeast region. Jessica has selected 3 plants from the Northeast Regional Plant List to highlight today. If you would like to see our full regional plant list, visit hoffmannursery.com or check it out in our catalog. With that, I'll turn it over to Jessica.
Thank you, Alex. Warming ocean temperatures have recently caused intense storms to form on the East Coast, and many of them have hit the Northeast, causing flooding and erosion. By returning vegetation to the landscape, we can decrease the likelihood of flooding and increase water infiltration. Floodwaters can often contain pathogens, contaminants, pollution, and sediment that can get into our waterways. Vegetative filters work by removing sediment, nutrients, and pollutants using plant structures. Carex grayi is a native sedge found in low-lying areas such as rivers, swamps, and floodplains, so it's perfect for rain gardens as it tolerates wet soil. Use this sedge in difficult areas such as bioretention projects and bioswales to restore the riparian vegetation. Sedges can also stabilize stream banks, slow down stormwater, and filter out sediment and pollutants. Over time, the edges of bioretention ponds and swales can erode into the water. Runoff from stormwater can amplify this process as the runoff disrupts and loosens the soil on the embankment. Planting the edges with grasses and sedges with deep, fibrous root systems can help to mitigate this process and act as a buffer. Carex grayi provides erosion control and will reseed, so it's perfect for restoration projects. The showy seed heads are eaten by songbirds and waterfowl, and the foliage can provide cover for them. As the need for clean water becomes more crucial, it's important for us to conserve our water and strive for more xeric landscapes. Deschampsia flexuosa can be found in tough, rocky places and is adapted to dry meadows. It's tolerant of sandy, rocky soil and is perfect for areas that suffer from drought. It's a cool season grass that will be actively growing during spring and fall and has rolled evergreen foliage, lessening its transpiration rate. In late spring, airy purple panicles rise above the foliage. The seeds are eaten by small mammals and songbirds, and it attracts pollinators. The vigorous roots protect the soil from erosion, and the seed heads provide winter interest. Crinkled hairgrass is an excellent choice for restoration projects and does very well on green roofs and as a matrix plant. Its fine foliage and drought tolerance make it a nice plant to use as a native lawn alternative, lessening the need for constant watering and maintenance. Deschampsia flexuosa thrives in dry shade and is a nice addition to a wildlife or rock garden. After a century of farming, logging, overhunting, overfishing, pollution, and land clearing, we have stripped the Northeast of its native flora and fauna. Humans are speeding extinction, and protection is necessary to preserve these delicate ecosystems. Continuing degradation and fragmentation of habits causes isolation and threatens biodiversity, resulting in a smaller gene pool. One way we can mitigate the loss is to plant natives and try to reduce fragmentation by keeping our green spaces. Schizocarium scoparium is a native grass of the tall grass prairies, which support wildlife by providing forage for grazing animals. Little bluestem are also larval hosts to skipper butterflies and provide food, cover, and nesting material for small mammals, songbirds, and pollinators. The cultivar standing ovation is a favorite for its upright growth habit, beautiful colors and long-lasting flowers. It has all the benefits of the species with impressive adaptations. It stays upright on sturdy stems even in pounding rain and high winds. The foliage starts out pale blue with hints of green, purple, and pink, and turns red and burgundy in the fall. Flowers persist through the fall and into the winter. It's also drought tolerant and prefers infertile soils, so it makes a fine choice for difficult areas. The foliage provides color all season long and helps wildlife, so it really is the ultimate garden plant.
Thank you, Jessica, for a great presentation. If you have any questions about the plants that we covered today, or any of the other grasses, sedges, or grass-like plants that we grow at Hoffman Nursery, please feel free to reach out to us at sales@hoffmannursery.com. You can also reach out to us on social media, and as always, feel free to visit hoffmannursery.com for all your grass resources. Thank you so much, and we hope you'll tune in to the rest of the videos in this series.